Hey Nash, what should we make?
It's barely a fusion, but what if we combine tacos with mac and cheese? It would basically be taco-flavored chili mac, but I bet it'll be delicious.
All right, let's make some taco mac. Today, we're gonna take tacos and mac and cheese. We're gonna put them together and see if they make a taco mac baby. It should be delicious. One pan deal, come together in less than a half an hour. Could be good dinner for the family. Kids will probably love it. So hey, without further ado, let's go. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take a jalapeno and dice it. And we take some of these chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, save the sauce, and then dice the peppers. Then in a pan on medium heat, a little bit of avocado oil, and we throw in those peppers we just chopped up. Just let these cook until the jalapenos are softened. Should just take a few minutes. Once your jalapenos are softened, we throw in a pound of ground beef. We get that all broken up, and we just cook this until your beef is all cooked through. Once your beef, or you could also use turkey, ground chicken, whatever you want. If you want to use Beyond Impossible fake meat, go for it. Whatever you want. It's your tacos. You do it your way. All right, then we're just going to drain off some of this grease that we got. I just like using a paper towel. Just get what you can. Depends on how much you care about leaving grease behind. I'm not too concerned. We just don't want it to be like super wet. That's all. We don't want meat slop. We just want ground meat. This is taco mac, not Taco Bell mac. So we don't need that soupy Taco Bell ground beef. Although, hey, if you want me to make something with Taco Bell ground beef, you let me know. We'll do it. Once your grease is drained, meat's all cooked through, then we're gonna go ahead and add 2.5 tablespoons of our taco seasoning. I'll post a link to that recipe below. Our taco seasoning was salt-free, so we're gonna add a little bit of kosher salt. If you don't wanna make your own, just 1 packet of store-bought taco seasoning. Get that sort of mixed in. Then we're gonna go in with 1 can of diced tomatoes with peppers, Rotel, or just get the generic version, the juice from our chipotle peppers, 1 cup of chicken broth, and 1 cup of milk. And we're gonna get that all combined. If there's anything stuck to the bottom, go ahead and scrape that off. Extra flavor. Right now we have taco soup. Yay. And then once our mixture comes up to a simmer, we add 1.5 to 2 cups of your dry noodles. Get those all stirred in. Then we reduce our heat to low, put a cover on this, and we just let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once our time's up, we pull our lid. We give this guy a stir just to see where we're at. If it's still a little bit liquidy like we have here with the lid off, we're just gonna let this cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending. Stirring pretty frequently to make sure that nothing sticks or burns. Once your moisture is mostly gone, we take 2 cups of shredded cheese, grated cheese. This is a mixture of Colby Jack and cheddar, and we just stir this in. We kill the heat and let it cool a bit. And after a little bit of cooling, we go ahead and scoop some into a bowl. And we take our guy, add a little extra cheese on top, whatever kind of cheese you got or whatever kind of cheese you want. We add a few avocado slices, a little bit of cilantro, and just to hit it with a little bit of that extra taco flavor, squeeze a lime. And there we have our taco mac. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's really good. It's cheesy, it's gooey, it's savory. It actually texturally very much like a chili mac, but the flavor profile is decisively taco and kind of that sort of flavor profile. So it's got a little bit of kick from the peppers. You get that chipotle smokiness from the chipotles. But again, just gooey, cheesy, delicious, nostalgic, super easy to make. 1 pan, comes together in under a half an hour. Easy dinner for 4. So hey, go make it. That's what I think. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
Been hitting the zoomies pretty hard to work up an appetite, so I'm pretty hungry.
I was running.
Well, check it out. We got this taco mac you wanted. Well, here you go. What do you think?
You nailed it. That's delicious. It's the perfect marriage of the textures of chili mac and all the flavors of basic, but not in a bad way, beef tacos.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Everything you can imagine is real.
Nash approves, I approve. Another super easy fusion in the bag. Put this one on your list. Go make it. Your family will love it. You'll love it. Everybody will be happy because it's tacos and mac. Taco mac, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to subscribe, like, share, comment, it would mean a lot. It'd help us out. Hit that bell for notifications. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, and send us a message there. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, be good and peace.